Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at some noise-canceling headphones, and it's only $99, and it comes to us from Soundcore. These are the Soundcore Space One ANC headphones. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we're going to take a look at the Soundcore Space Ones. Now if you guys have the Q45s, those were definitely a boss, and with these they're coming in at around $99. You guys can actually pre-order today if you guys check the link in the description. So we have a whole bunch of stuff here. I am really interested to see exactly how these sound. It's powerful, and I just want to show you guys what's in the box. So you have the Soundcore Space One, the travel pouch, and you have the AUX cable, and you have your charging cable, which is type C to type C. Powerful noise reduction, tailored to voices. Noise canceling adapts to your environment. Crisp, high sounds, adjustable transparency to the world, worry-free battery, and we have the ergonomic design for all-day comfort. So this sounds like a true boss, and it does work. There is a beta app that's actually out right now for this one, and we have the advanced noise canceling structure. So that's about it for the box. To see if we could take out a little Miggy, so we could pop this box open, because we do have the tape on the bottom and we have one up top. Very nice presentation for $99. There's a lot of headphones out there that really don't even give you much presentation. They just give you a box and the headphones for about $100. So as we pop open the box, we're going to see exactly what comes in the box. So I do have the baby blue versions, and these do have a nice resemblance to the AirPod Max. Very similar when it comes to that look. They are very, very light, by the way, and I did actually like the quality of it. Now, it does have that plastic feeling to it, but it is really, really light. And as you can see from here, it does have the mesh up top, but that mesh is not, it's not really the whole way through. It actually stops where my thumb and my other thumb was resting on it. But I do like the fact that it does have in big letters left and right, and we have the adjustable headband, and it does actually fold in as well, which is always a plus when it comes to noise canceling headphones. For $100, they seem really decent when it comes to quality. I cannot complain about it, especially for the look. You want it to be nice, but you do actually want it to be light as well. So we have nothing in the bottom of that box, but as you can see from here, you do have your quick start guide if you guys want to learn how to power it and all that stuff, and you have your warranty information there as well. And you do have a travel pouch, which we did see in the back of the box, and we have your type C cable that's on the bottom there, but you do have your 3.5 to 3.5 jack if you do like to use like a DAC or whatever. And you have your charging cable right there. Pretty short, but it shall do if you just leave your headphones here. But this bag is actually nice, and I am very surprised that they include a pouch for $100, and it has a nice it's like a cloth material, but it's a really decent when it comes to that. So as far as the designs on them, I'm really liking it so far. As you can see, I'm just trying to see exactly how the quality feels. And on the inside, you do have an insert here that was telling you that it does have the wearing detection sensor, so it actually knows when to automatically play and how to pause, and you can actually activate that feature in the Soundcore app. So much needed, which is pretty cool. So you do have your charging cable there, and you have your headphone jack right there as well, and it looks like you have your power button there as well, and you have your ANC button on the left, and you have your volume up and down. Really nice set of headphones, really have a nice weight to it, and I'm really digging it so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of a test. As you can see, we do have the branding for Soundcore Space Ones written right on there. So let's get this test done, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so we are now back. It's been maybe about an hour and a half of actually testing out these headphones. I just really want to say that I love the presentation of it. I love the look of it. I like that the quality is very light. It fits perfectly on my ears with no type of problems at all. It does have a little bit of noise leakage, but as far as everything else, let me show you how I actually set it up. Went to my Bluetooth settings and it shows under Soundcore Space Ones. A couple of things that I wanted to show you. So left and right icon, all that good stuff. And I did have a firmware update you have to go through, and I had to do a minor update on the firmware, so I am up to date when it comes to the app and the firmware. Now, as far as the sound quality when it comes to phone calls, so I did actually call my mom and we had a conversation on FaceTime, and I had these on. She said it sounded a little bit muffly and it did sound kind of low. Now, I went through all the settings when it comes to the Soundcore app, and I didn't really find too much about voice calls, any type of that stuff, but you do have a whole bunch of options here. So you have the noise canceling, you have the normal, and you have the transparency mode, and you do have the easy where you could just hold your hand right above the left, be able to talk while it actually mutes the sound coming from the headphones, which is pretty cool. And you have your transparency mode and all that stuff, and you can actually customize your EQ. So I did put everything all the way up just to try it, but I did actually went through a lot of these different presets when it comes to the EQ, and I kind of feel like I just wanted to hear everything to the max, even though it's probably not the best way to actually do it. So I did actually have the sound all the way up to 96, as you saw through there while my background was going on. But you can actually limit the volume as well if you don't want to make it too high, but I did actually have it on top notch because I just wanted to hear it at its full capacity when it comes to the sound quality. And as far as the sound quality, these are okay. They're not the greatest in the world. There was a few songs that I did actually play that actually sounded perfect, but there was more songs that just sounded a little bit lower than I like to have my music. So and honestly, I think that these are good, especially for the price of $100. These are pretty solid for the price. I think that maybe they should tune some of the sound quality when it comes to music. The bass was okay, but as far as the voices, they weren't really that clear for some of the songs. Some of them, they sounded perfect, so it's really up to your music preference. And I will suggest to always mess around with these settings, because when I started messing around with these settings, they did actually become a lot better when it comes to the quality of the sounds coming through the ear cups. But I just want to let you guys know these are a good price. For $100 you get your case and you have your nice quality light headphones, and they do block out a lot of noise. If you guys are worried about the noise canceling part, these do actually work pretty decently as well, and I really don't have no problem with them because the price just really justifies, I'm saying, how much quality that you're actually getting, which is actually decent. They're not the best in the world. They're not, saying $300, $400 headphones. But as far as the overall design and as far as what you get for it, I think they are definitely worth $99. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Soundcore Space Ones and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video.